Welcome back to YouTube, lads and lassies. The weather is absolutely crazy. I just want to get the boat out already and go for a ski, but that'll be soon to come. But no guys, I was up early this morning, just the fact of work and everything, so I could get back early really, enjoy the sun and get a new video out for you guys. So today I'm going to get that left passenger side alloy off, go look at the brake, because I did mention in the video yesterday I'm getting a squeaky noise constantly, but I did take that side off about a week ago to painted it, but I gave it a good clean then, but who knows. But a lad did comment saying grease it, so we'll see when I take the wheel off again, we'll see what it is. But now I'm going to take the wheel off and be a bit quicker, because you've all seen me take my wheel off about 10 times now, so stay tuned. Yeah, and also before getting into the video, I'm going to get my headlights tinted. So can I do that myself with that film, or should I get it done properly? If so, boys, let me know where I can get it done, because I'm from the Birmingham area, so I'm pretty much based around that. So I want to get that done now, because I did have it tinted before, spray tint. It looked alright, but it's a fact I went for the clean look at the front, but now I just want to make it look stealth. But yeah guys, let me know. Oh my god, that was absolutely tight. Think what I don't get, because I didn't even put it on tight, so how the fact to get tighter and tighter, God knows. But yeah, I'm gonna get the wheel off now, so bear with. Yeah, so pretty much what I'm going to do is just, see what I mean, like, that's bad. Yeah, so, all I'm going to do is just literally wire brush it off, because there is a lot of loose rust on it as well. So, get rid of that really. Yeah, I think this is why. I'll flip the camera for you guys. Yeah, boys, as you can tell, like, it is bad. So I'm gonna get like a quick cinematics of it so you guys can see me clean it, so bear with. Yeah, so like my car's done about 44,000 miles now on the clock. I bought it on 18,000. It was basically 14 months ago, so I put over 30,000 miles on in the last year. But it's discs wise, when should I get them changed? Every so many amount of miles, or when they really need doing? Not too sure about brakes. That's only one thing I don't really know much about. But like, the engine wise I know pretty much, because I built trucks with my dad from scratch, from the chassis to the lot. So I know quite a lot about cars, but brakes not so much. But guys, if you could let me know, I really appreciate it, would mean a lot. But no guys, I've cleaned it up, wiped all it off, all the crap like. So when I whack the wheel back on, go for a little drive, and if it's better sound, and get on with the day then. boys, weather's this good, I might as well give the car a good clean, so I'm moving my car now for the drive to a better position. I can't believe the weather, how nice it is. But I like most of it. There we go. Thing is, I like washing my car in the sun, but it's the fact when you've got to dry it quickly, because when the sun's on your car, it just dries the water that quick. It's good in a way, but you can tell when you've left like little water marks on. But yeah. Yeah, so boys, done my brakes this morning, as you already knew I did. But I popped to Warsaw to grab something from my mum. Other than that, but joined here with Sam. Yeah. Enjoyed the day really, because tomorrow it's meant to rain, and probably next week we'll have snow. So yeah, I'll flip the camera. The beautiful chase water. Chase water. Chameleon. Yes, boys. Just got to put some screen wash in my car. So what I don't like about the Corsas, the fact the latch thing to open the bonnet is on the passenger side, where to be honest it should be on the driver's side. It's easier. But yeah, get it open. Mate, these way at time. Yeah, so there it is. Then I bought the stuff from Halford, so basically just pull straight in, quick and simple. Just that, I'll check my oil as well. It's saying actually, I'm not gonna check my oil because I've just been driven, so I'll check that tomorrow morning, because when it's all nice and chilled. I'm gonna pour this in. I think I've got a hole in this pipe, because this always goes. I don't use it. Try not to get on the end of the battery. Oil line for Ecotech. Mate, you're shit. The fuel I get on you is crap. The fuel what this does the miles per gallon is shit. Honestly. Like, average out just on the way back from Burntwood. Oh, shout out to I'll put his name up now, his Instagram, who spotted me in McDonald's. Shout out to you, mate. Yeah, as I was saying, if you ever see me out and about, take a photo of my car and put spotted Ben Corsa D, because I'll repost on my Instagram for you guys, so you get a shout out and beat me or whatever, and I'll just come up to you or something. I'll shake your hand or whatever you guys want, and I'll shout out to you guys. But I might have help for tomorrow to fit my front splitter, so fingers crossed you can. But I'm not saying I'm promising you guys I'm gonna fit it tomorrow. But don't forget, I'm doing that giveaway still. 140 subs left, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and peace.